Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a couple of my favorite apps. The first one is going to be my Google Drive. It is what I use every single day for work. I use Google Drive for a variety of different things, to collaborate with different business partners and to also share information. So if you have your own Gmail account, you have access to Google Drive. If you don't, I would recommend getting one. All you have to do is create that Gmail account, and then you can start using Google Drive. So for the purpose of this lesson, I created my own thisismaiseducation@gmail.com account so that I can show you how to use Google Drive, and then I'll also use this same account for different projects in this class. Okay, so I am on google.com and I'm signed into my account. If you click on these little boxes right here, the Google Apps, that will take you to all the different apps that Google has within its program. We're going to do Google Drive today, so go ahead and click on Google Drive. And then you can see that I already started to play around with this and create some different documents. If you want to create a Excel type document, you can do it, and Google has an app called Sheets. That is this one right here. So click on New. You can create a new folder. You can upload files. You can upload a folder. You can create Google Docs, which is going to be like Microsoft Word, Google Sheets, which is going to be like Microsoft Excel, and then Google Slides, which is similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. So today I'm going to show you Google Sheets. That's a great tool for collaborating with other individuals. You can share this to accounts so that people can edit it at the same time. So say I wanted to do like a school roster. So let's do and then let's say I wanted to do like a birthday. Okay, so maybe I don't know every student's birthday, and I want to send this out to all the parents so that they can enter in their kids' birthdays, and that we have that for our classroom. So let's say I'll do mine. And then we have my information updated in there. We can go ahead and format that however you want to format that. If you want to put borders around that at all, if you want to bold, it works so much like Excel does. And then hit File, Share, and we'll do this classroom birthdays. And then you can go ahead and start sharing that to all of the teachers, parents, students, whoever you want to show that to. They'll get a notification in their email. It shows how many people were shared with. And then they can go ahead and edit this document at the same time that other people are editing it. So that's the nicest thing about Google Sheets. Same thing goes for Google Docs and Slides. So everyone can edit them all at the same time and share it within each other. So if we go back to my Drive, you can see that I have a couple different things in here. In Week 1 folder, I've started to create these different documents. So Week 1 assignments is with Google Sheets. Week 1 presentation is with Slides. Double click on that, and that works a lot like PowerPoint, like I said. So you can create PowerPoint presentations or similar to PowerPoint presentations with Google Slides. If you go back to the Drive, double click on this one I created, this works a lot like Microsoft Word. So living documents, the nicest thing is that you can collaborate with other people, and that they do provide those templates that you can get started with. So those are all within Google Drive. Play around with it and experience it. Thank you so much.